Hi guys, another day, another franchise. Ngayon, andito tayo sa main office at ayan, papogi muna tayo habang inintay natin yung kliyente kasi taga-Korea yon at nagbakasyon dito sa Pilipinas. At ito, nandiyan siya sa likod ko at ayan, nag-uusap-usap kami kung ano yung dapat plano at ang target location niya sa Cebu, ang pinaka-the best lechon sa buong Pilipinas.
Wow!
At ayan, tinikman niya lahat ng milk tea natin. At ayan, kumaway kami kasama si Sir Dong. At ganito naman tinitimpla ang milk tea natin. At ang flavor niyan, Red Velvet. At hindi ko na nabidyohan yung mga ininom niya at nas-forward ko na yan kasi medyo mahaba. At ang motto ng Buba Milk Tea, sharing the happiness and energy in every cup. At ayun yung mga tinikmang niyang flavor, dark chocolate, Taigo, fruities, at Red Velvet. At sa part na to, nag-video na ako kasi paborito ko yung dark chocolate at ayun talaga yung iniinom ko. At ito yung feedback niya sa Buba Milk Tea.
Hello everyone, I'm Yu Jae. I'm originally from Philippines, but now I'm residing in South Korea. I'm here in Buba Milk Tea. First, I met Buba Milk Tea in Facebook and have a conversation. One of the consultant, he introduced me Buba Milk Tea and some of their menu. So I got interested. So that's why I'm here. This is Taigo, color orange, and it has like a bubble inside. When you taste it, mm, really good.
Wow.
This is chocolate, no sugar, but delicious. Like this. This is kiwi fruit juice. Wow. So, oh, of course, it is tasty. Kaya, yung mga sweethearts dyan, I recommend the Red Velvet for the Valentine's Day.
Wow.
If you don't like to have sugar, then you can ask the the barista. So how much sugar you want, 20 or 30, it's depends on you. So for this experience that I had today, I can say that wow, it's a good business.
Yes!
So why not try? Sa akin at sa mga nanonood ngayon, I had the feeling that I want to open up this business because as we working abroad, we want to have like business or some another income. So for me, boba tea is really good to start with. At saka, ah, hindi ito po